Hi there everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre. Today brought sunshine to most of South Africa, although along the south coast a cold front moved through and behind it a high pressure system was starting to ridge to the south of the country. The combination of these two brought some moisture to the south coast where cloud cover was thickening this afternoon, and we're expecting that cloud to make its way up the east coast overnight. At the same time, there could be some light rain overnight and into the early hours of tomorrow from around the Garden Route all the way through to about East London. And as that high pressure system ridges further eastwards tomorrow, it's going to start pushing the moisture up our eastern coastline. And from our rainfall accumulation, we can see that rain is expected in the morning tomorrow along the eastern Cape Coast, spreading northwards towards Durban and Richards Bay and even further inland as the day progresses. This is also shown on our detailed forecast for Sunday. We're expecting rain for eastern KwaZulu-Natal, Pietermaritzburg. There's also a possibility mostly in the evening for your area, while Newcastle should be mostly sunny and dry with a high of 23. Quite a cold day for parts of the Eastern Cape, in particular for the escarpment, Bishu and Grahamstown, only in the mid-teens. There could be light rain in your areas, especially in the morning. No rain, on the other hand, for the south coast, where it will be partly cloudy and cool. Temperatures climbing to the high teens for those areas. And further westwards, we see the effects of a bergwind bumping up the temperatures over this area. Vredendal 33 degrees, while Cape Town will get to a very comfortable 25. A lovely day lies in store for the Northern Cape, although it will be cold at first for some areas, but much of the province should remain above freezing overnight. For the Free State, on the other hand, it will be a frosty start to Sunday. Bethlehem dropping down to -3, but getting up to a mild 20 in the afternoon. Heading into the northwest, we see sunshine continuing for this province. Temperatures remaining above normal for this time of the year, climbing into the mid-20s. And over Limpopo, it's going to be an especially warm day for this province. 29 for Musina in the far northern parts of the country, starting off at a very pleasant 13 in the morning. Mpumalanga sees quite a contrast between the high veld and the low veld. Temperatures very warm in the eastern parts. Skukuza gets to 29, while Ermelo and eMakhazeni will be 10 degrees cooler with a high of only 19. And finally, into Gauteng, there really isn't too much changing over the province. Another sunny and dry day. Johannesburg, you get to 23, although it will be a cold start for Vereeniging with a minimum of 0. The wind forecast shows light winds all across the Highveld on Sunday afternoon, while moderate to fresh winds are expected for the south coast, 25 kilometers per hour for George and Port Elizabeth. Monday sees some rain extending up the eastern escarpment as well as around Bombela, lots of cloud in that area, while in the south and west, bergwinds continue to push the temperatures up. And on Tuesday, things finally cool down for Cape Town, 17 degrees as a high, with a bit of light rain in the morning.